That this is Playwright. Here one here. This can be Cypress, Selenium, but so nowadays, right? So vastly growing widely. So there are huge growth for Playwright. So Playwright is doing some uh, betterly performing than Cypress and Selenium. So widely extending in the world. Okay. Now, okay, we will see differences. Suppose Playwright, right? Okay. Uh, okay. First one is like, okay, what I can do, right? I will keep like this. Cypress, Selenium. Okay. Okay. These three tags. Okay. First one is like, okay, cross browser support. Okay. Cross browser support. So cross browser support for Playwright, right? Okay. So this is somewhere else it is going. Okay. So right now, mm, so like this, no? Now, what I'll write? I'll create one thing. Um, Here cross browser support. What about cross browser support? So cross browser support. It is same for all, right? Mm, Cross browser support, right? So cross browser support for Playwright, no? Cross browser support, right? Here, so Chromium, Firefox, Chromium, Firefox, Firefox WebKit, right? This is the cross browser support for Playwright. Coming to same Cypress. Here it requires WebDriver setup, right? So requires a WebDriver setup. But here also in Cypress, right, we can do cross-browser testing. So what are the browsers are there in our system, right? Automatically it pre-populates. So it pre-populates. So we can execute all like Chrome browser, Edge, Firefox, etc. Okay. So this is about the cross-browser support. Okay, coming to multi-language, so programming language support, right? Okay, coming to programming language support. Programming language, language support. So programming language support here, no? For Playwright, right? So it supports JavaScript, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, Java. Okay. So everything it will support. Okay. It supports everything. Selenium supports everything. Here only JavaScript. JavaScript. Okay. So Cypress supports only JavaScript. Now asynchronous automation, right? Hmm. Synchronous execution. Execution. So for stability, for asynchronous execution, can be handled by async and await. Async and await. Okay. Await. Okay. Asynchronous execution. Cypress. Synchronous execution. Okay. No, Cypress, right? This is also asynchronous execution only. So, but dot then, when we use dot then, right, then it will make as a synchronous execution. Okay. See, in Cypress, right, it is even it is a asynchronous execution, right? But developers know what they have to do. They have done everything, everything to be. So Cypress is giving almost all the commands to make the script into synchronous. Okay. Now Selenium is a synchronous. Selenium is a synchronous. Okay. Now we'll go with performance and okay. Now, okay, efficiency, right? Performance, efficiency, or we can make it as One more thing, what I can do is speed, execution speed. We can say that execution speed, um, execution speed, execution speed, execution speed, right? Very fast. So playwright is like a very fast, very fast. Okay, very fast. Okay, execution speed for a Cypress, no, it is fast. I can say it is fast, but for Cypress, no, it is like very fast. Or very fast. Okay, this is slower because of web drivers. Okay, this is slower because of web drivers. Slower due to web drivers. Due to web drivers. Web drivers. Okay. Okay. Here we can say so many others. Okay. For playwright, right? Installation and setup. So installation and the setup. Setup. It's easy, right? Installation and setup. Easy. NPM install. Right? Same case for Cypress also. And coming to Selenium, right? Medium. I can say it's a medium. You can say medium. So driver setup is required, right? Okay, requires driver setup. Setup, all right? Require driver setup. Now, one more important thing is parallel execution. Well, execution. So here parallel execution is Playwright. It has very good parallel execution support. So built-in parallel. So built-in parallel execution. Built-in parallel execution. Or Cypress, right? Limited. Limited. Okay. Parallel execution is limited. Here now supported via Selenium grid. Okay. Hmm. Headless execution. Headless execution. Execution. Supported. 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 Okay. Automatic waits. One more thing is automatic waits. Okay. Automatic waits. Built-in automatic waits. Waits. Okay. Built-in automatic waits. So Cypress also it has built-in automatic waits. Here manual waits needed for the Selenium manual waits needed. So a lot more are there still. You can go through manual weights needed. Okay. So a lot more are there to discuss. Still CI/CD integration and mobile testing. See CI/CD integration, right? Easy it is supported to Cypress. Hmm? And well supported in Selenium, also well supported. Easy integration for Playwright and Cypress. Okay, mobile testing. It's a Cypress is limited. I think so. Still limited. Still working on for Cypress and Playwright. Still they're working on, but supported by RPM for Selenium. Okay, community, right? So growing faster. Which is growing faster? Playwright is growing faster. So very large and mature Selenium, but growing faster is the uh, Playwright, which is supported by Microsoft, and also growing for pilot projects, Cypress. Okay. See, Cypress is best for front end web applications with modern JS frameworks like React, Angular. Okay. And modern web applications, right? Apps needed reliability. So Playwright is for modern web applications needing speed. So however, everyone knows Selenium is for the enterprise automation. Okay. Cypress, no, best for